Functions. Functions plays most important role in all programming languages. It helps you to reuse the same logic everywhere without rewriting the entire code. Hi guys, my name is Hemant Banchal. You are watching a TypeScript function session.
In the previous session, we talked about union types. To check the video, please click the link here.
And in this session we will talk about functions basic information of TypeScript. Okay, so let's write a simple function what we write in the JavaScript. I will say add numbers and I will say 2 plus 1. Okay, here I can write console.log add numbers. Okay, if I run this program it will print 3. So here, based on the return statement, it is deciding what it has to print. Okay, if I specify here string hello, let's see, it is printing hello one. Okay, it has not given any error because string can be appended with any other data type, like say number. Now, what I will say to my function is to return always number. Okay, so in this case, the statement will give error because I am explicitly telling that this function should always return a number. Okay, so this hello is not allowed. Again, I will say 1 plus 1. Okay, these two numbers are here. I can call. Answer is 2. This is how functions work with by mentioning the data type. Now, let's make this as a parameterize. I will say give me x number and y also in number and return me x plus y. Here now I need to specify 2 comma 3. Very simple. It is returning me 5. So what I'm doing, I'm telling my function parameter to accept the parameter in a specific data type. Okay. If specific data type is not received by the functions, it will throw an error. So now if I mention this as a string, this will give me an error here. Okay. Now let's check uh, with error functions. Okay, I'm making this error free. Control KC, and I've commented that code. Now let me create one method add number and I will say this is my function. Now let's write error function for this add number then here equal to console.log 2 plus 3. Let me call this method. No error. It has printed 5. Now I'm telling this to accept parameter in this format and print this information, and here I will specify input type. Now correct output 3 with arrow functions also. Now let's discuss more about some other data types. Okay, now I want that my y should be either number or string. Okay, I will specify here string a number. So now this will give me an error, because what if if I pass the string from here? That is why this is giving the compile time error. Okay, so addition is not possible for this variable. If you see error here, plus cannot be applied to types number and number string. So let's say I will again change this to number, and I will create one more variable z console.log. I will print z. Okay, let me run this 3 and undefined, because I have not specified any value here to this method. Okay, this is optional. Now let me pass this value as a false. It has printed false. Okay, now uh, let's say if I put the question mark here and I'm not passing any value. Okay, it has still printed undefined. But if I mention the value for this, okay, default value for this, okay, no error found. If I run this .js file, see, you can see a 10. Now if I change the value of 10 to this, let's see, it has again printed 10. So default value of this is specified. Now instead of this I will pass 20. Okay, now what it will print? It will print 20, because I have specified the value. I have passed my value to this method. If I have not passed the value to this method, it will by default print the value 10. Here you can see I have passed integer value. Here it is a string, but priority is given to the passed value. Now let's say I am returning x plus y. Okay, so this add number method is returning now integer value. Let my var equal to, I'll say add number. I will pass these three value, and I will say console.log. I can pass this value. You can see a final answer is 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. But now if I say my var I want to change to some string value. Let me run. You can see a value hello, because I have already overridden this value. And here you can see a mixed type. It is accepting a string also here. Okay. Now let me remove this. Same now. I have passed this value, but this will not give an error. Let's check. This is still fine. But now if I say this as a const, I will remove this. See, for this const, this is not allowed. I cannot pass parameter, extra parameter to this method. Okay, I will remove this. Now in this case, my add number is doing the addition of two number, and so my final my var will also be a number, but I am changing the value of my var, okay, to string. So this is not acceptable, because my code in my var variable is accepting the integer value only, number. That is why it is throwing an error. Okay, so I will remove this. I can also specify with a void, and for a void I cannot return any value. I will just say console.log x plus y. We print again, it has printed 3. Why undefined? Because I'm not returning any value to this, so I can remove this. I can also remove this. I will run again. Now it is 3, value is 3. So I can also return a void to my function. Okay, you can see here void. So this is how function works in the TypeScript. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask, you can comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.